10 Psychological Tricks to Get Your Ex Back. Reconnecting with an ex can be challenging, but certain psychological strategies may help reignite the spark. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 effective tricks to consider if you want to get your ex back. 1. Reflect on the past. Think about what worked in your relationship and what didn't. Understanding past mistakes can help you improve future interactions. 2. Leverage nostalgia. Use social media to share positive memories you had together. This can evoke warm feelings and remind your ex of the good times. 3. Practice emotional detachment. Show that you are moving on by being emotionally composed. This can spark your ex's curiosity and make them reconsider their decision. 4. Enhance your self-image. Focus on self-improvement. Engage in activities that boost your confidence, making you more attractive to your ex. 5. Utilize the scarcity principle. Limit your availability to create a sense of absence. This may make your ex realize how much they miss you. 6. Foster a supportive social circle. Surround yourself with uplifting friends. Their support can enhance your confidence and portray you as someone fun to be around. 7. Re-establish communication gradually. Start with casual, light conversations. This reduces pressure and makes it easier to reconnect. 8. Demonstrate change. Show that you've grown by addressing any past issues. This can convince your ex that the relationship can be better this time. 9. Evoke a sense of competition. Mention new friendships or activities. This can create urgency and prompt your ex to rethink their feelings. 10. Appeal to empathy. Share your genuine feelings. Reminding your ex of your emotional connection can rekindle intimacy. By using these strategies thoughtfully, you may increase your chances of getting your ex back. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.